Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the WishFish tool on Kali Linux. Now, it's important to understand that this tool is being showcased for educational purposes only, and we are strictly focusing on its ethical applications. WishFish is a tool that allows you to generate various phishing links. These links can be designed to look like wishing websites or even custom sites. When a target interacts with these links with their permission, of course. In our educational scenario, WishFish can potentially capture a picture from their front camera and also provide you with the target's IP address information. Again, this demonstration is purely for understanding the capabilities and potential vulnerabilities and should only be used in controlled, ethical environments. The developer of WishFish has been actively working on improving the tool, and there are some notable updates. Let's take a look at the bug fixes and new features that have been added. A previous issue with the Ngrok tunnel has been resolved, which should provide a more stable connection for generating shareable links. The ability to utilize subdomains in your phishing links has been implemented, offering more customization. There's now an option to create a phishing page that mimics a live meeting interface. You can now create a customized phishing page that resembles a live YouTube stream. This new feature allows for the creation of custom wishing pages tailored to different festivals. Now, let's walk through the installation and basic usage of WishFish on Kali Linux. First, you'll need to clone the repository from GitHub. Open your terminal and type the following command. Once the cloning is complete, navigate into the WishFish directory using the cd command. Finally, to run the tool, execute the wishfish.sh script. Before you start using WishFish, it's important to turn on your device's hotspot. This is often necessary for the tool to function correctly and create the necessary network connections. You might encounter situations where the built-in server option within WishFish is temporarily down. In such cases, it's highly recommended to use the Ngrok option. Ngrok provides an instant, shareable link. Simply select the Ngrok option within WishFish and wait for it to generate the URL. Once it's generated, you can then share this link ethically, of course, in our educational context with your intended test subject. It's crucial to understand how WishFish potentially interacts with the target's device. If a user opens the generated link in a browser like Chrome or an Android-based built-in browser, and they grant the necessary camera permissions, WishFish can access their front camera and capture a snapshot. Any images that are captured through this process will be stored in a folder named Captured within the WishFish directory on your Kali Linux system. To easily copy these captured images to your Pictures folder, you can run the provided copy.sh script. First, you'll need to make it executable. Then, you can execute the script. Finally, and this is extremely important, please remember that the information shared in this video is strictly for educational purposes only. We do not endorse or encourage any illegal or unethical use of the WishFish tool. You are solely responsible for ensuring that your actions comply with all applicable laws and ethical guidelines. Using this tool to access someone's camera or information without their explicit consent is illegal and harmful. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.